This is the frozen river. Very nice. Look, all is frost until on the side of the mountain. What a nice view. All sea is frozen now. You see, all is snow. Also my feet is frozen here. I can walk through, I don't know. Ooh, but the sun is shining and still the river is frozen. Can zoom it in. It's -2, so it's so cold. I zoom the other side of the mountain there. All is frozen. The sky is nice. There is my husband standing, and the other side is some beaching. It's nice here to summer, more tourists. Very nice. I like it. There's some two old women going to visit the place now. It's very nice. This is Hungarian place. We are at the Kapasvor. It's a very big lake here in Europe. This is the very big. If you are here, you will amaze like me. It's a very nice and freezing the river. I can't believe. See, the side is like this. Some tourists there. Bye bye.